it's Nat from the Traveling Foxes, and this is another vlog in Zamboanga City. So it's 6 a.m. and I'm super hyped up for today as we will be visiting Pink Beach. So apparently it's only a 10-minute boat ride from the city. So we are going to check it out before we fly out back to Manila today. First things first, I am just walking around the city, exploring a little bit early in the morning, and also checking out a coffee shop nearby. So coffee first before any activities. You know, one thing I noticed about Zamboanga is a lot of the buildings look really old, really worn out. Like, look at this one. Like, even this place looks like an old school, like, fun park. Google Maps brought me here, but I don't think this is a location of a cafe. Looks like a dead end. Excuse me. 58th Cafe. It said it's here. Do you know 58th Cafe? May coffee shop dito.
May dyan sa labas siguro.
Sa labas. Diyan ako punta.
Sa labas.
Ah, sige. Salamat.
Okay.
Wait. Google Maps, you did me wrong. And now this is what Google Maps says again. 58th Street. I don't see it. I don't think it exists. I'm like pinning different coffee shops, and now I pinned She Brews, but it doesn't exist. I wonder if the Google Maps here is not updated if a place closes down. Alright, so now actually in the area where Mayor brought us to have breakfast. So sati. So I don't know if I'm gonna end up having sati instead. Alright, final one, Iya Coffee. So apparently this place is 24/7. So if you guys are craving coffee in the middle of the night, just come here. Morning. Can I get an iced Spanish latte? And then...
Do they have sati?
So, may pancakes ba kayo?
Waffle mo.
Ha?
Waffle po.
Waffle?
Jualan.
Jualan with jalea. Matamis siya?
Balay saging po siya, may separate. Yung halaya po is yung sauce niya po.
Ah, sige. I'll get the jualan with jalea.
For 15 minutes lang.
Okay lang. So this is the jualan with jalea. Apparently it's fried banana with some jalea sauce. Tastes a little bit like muscovado sugar mixed with
chocolate.
not chocolate, mixed with caramel or something. Good replacement for pancakes if you don't have pancakes here. Nice. So we are now in Paseo del Mar, and this is where you can get your boat ticket to Pink Beach. Okay.
Ilan po kayo, ma'am?
Five.
Okay, sige. Yes. May booking po kayo, ma'am? Wala. Walk-in lang po kayo. Yes. Walk-in, te.
They asked us if we booked or we're walk-ins. We haven't booked this. So per boat is 1,000 pesos if you want it private, so you can leave the island anytime. And then there's 50 pesos entrance per person, and then 100 pesos for the cottage. So guys, single-use plastics are not allowed in Pink Beach, so we are moving all our fruits into different container which you could buy here.
Oy, let's go!
Balik na lang natin sa cart.
I love that initiative though, because no matter what, it's really hard to discipline everyone into throwing things into the ocean. So it's good that they don't allow single-use plastics over there.
Now, Santa Cruz Island, known as Big Island, is under protected area. When we say protected area, that's a law. Ayun yung batas natin, no? That's INAIPAS Act, INAIPAS Law na tinatawag. Capital ENIPAS, Expanded National Integrated Protected Area System, Republic Act 1103.
Pwede pakilagay na dyan.
Okay, sir.
Ma'am, pulo natin tapos pa talaga.
Hawakan na sa dalawang hawakan.
What a cute cottage. I love the look of the cottage. Just looking closely at the sand, there's so many, it's really pink. But apparently you could really see the pink hue at sunset if you come here at sunset. We didn't do a sunset trip because we're flying out this afternoon, but if you do want to come here, try coming at sunset if you really want to see it look pink. Before I go swimming, here are some more local delicacies. These are pastilles. They look like empanadas, but apparently there is some noodles or pancit inside. And then this is lukot. And then some dural.
So that has like coconut thing or gata inside.
What should I start with?
All the usug delicacies.
Maybe.
Here,
Where's the sauce for this?
hold on.
Oh, you have to pour it in.
Yeah.
Okay. Have a look. It's literally just noodles inside.
Carbs and carbs.
Carbs and carbs, yeah. And the sauce is, I'm guessing vinegar.
Kind of.
Lagi tayong walang group photo.
Got some tausug delicacies for us to try.
So I'm trying now the lukot.
Huh? Oh, I like that barquillas thing.
Yan.
Just wanna try this. This thing I
Okay. Out of the three, this is my favorite. It tastes like dessert. I think there's
Yeah.
coconut,
Coconut.
Yeah, it looks like
sugar inside, and some
parang
coconut.
ang sarap. May pandan, no?
Yeah. All right, let's go check out a little bit of this island. Kano yung shell earring?
Perlas yan siya. Yan. Korean siya.
Pero anong yung metal?
Coins po yan siya, ma'am.
Coins.
Oo, sa 25 centavos dati. Yan ang ano namin, ma'am.
So magkano yung ganito?
100 lang yan siya, ma'am.
100.
Opo. Pearl yan siya, original pearl. Pwede yan, ma'am, kung makapili kayo, i-reserve mo. Yan, barok yan siya, ma'am.
Ito, 100 din.
100 din siya, ma'am. Barok yan siya, isa na lang siya. Yan ang palagi binibili ng ano.
Cute nga.
Kasi barok yan siya, ma'am. O, parang ganito siya, ma'am. Ito 1,005 yan siya, ma'am. Mahaba, iganyan mo lang siya yung ano niya. Ganyan lang siya. Yan, ma'am, maganda. Maganda.
Sige, kunin ko to. So you pretty much have everything on this island. You could get food, you could go shopping. Like I got myself some beautiful pearls for 100 pesos. It's approximately $2 less. And they are real pearls. And you could also rent a hammock or a duyan, as they call it here. And also you could rent volleyballs if you want to play. You could also, like if you accidentally brought like a plastic water bottle and you had to leave it in the mainland, you could also get water here for 60 pesos. They also have a toilet, you could shower, but it's all salt water. As they said, this is an atoll, so there's no fresh water here. So the whole area is pretty much made of corals. So yeah, let's keep walking to see how far the end of this island will go to. I'm not gonna go around. As you saw from the drone, it's actually a protected area. So let's just go to the end of the beach. So I think this place is really worth visiting when you're in Zamboanga. Firstly, it's only a 10 to 15 minute boat ride from the city. So I would say it's a very accessible beach. And the boat ride, two-way, is 1,000 pesos with a maximum of 10 packs per boat. So if you are 10 friends, that's only 100 pesos for the boat. The beach is beautiful. It's different because of the pink hue. And if you get the whole day to stay here, just stay till sunset so you could get the perfectly pink hue. I think this place is definitely worth visiting. So I'll close my vlog here, and this would be my last vlog for now in this trip in Zamboanga. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you guys also want to check, I was previously in Tawi-Tawi and I have a playlist of that on my channel, so do check it out, and I'll see you on my next adventure. Bye for now, guys.